Who is the smartest guy in the blockchain industry? You know, Alex Chirpinoy is probably one of the smartest guys in the industry.
Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about Ergo, so you can also join me in becoming a fellow Ergonaut. A lot of the wording and information I got for this video is from this article by Root7Z, posted May 10th, 2021, so I'll be linking that in the description if you want to read up more on it. Now, what is Ergo? Ergo blockchain is a layer 1 protocol for powerful decentralized finance contracts. It allows for radically new decentralized finance functionality on the rock-solid foundations laid by a decade of blockchain theory and development. That is the proof-of-work consensus algorithm and the underlying UTXO model that enables robust scalability and security. This is compared to the proof-of-stake consensus that blockchains like Cardano uses that have been around for much less time, so they've been tested less on their security. Now, what does Ergo have? Ergo Decentralized Finance supports oracles, stablecoins, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and much more. It can pretty much do anything that a smart contract allows for, and as you know it also does more, because right now when you think of DeFi, you think of Ethereum and their smart contracts. But their limitations have been obvious for a while, and that's why Ergo went into action and decided to build up on it and make a better system. First off, I'm going to say the creator of Ergo is Alex Chirpinoy. He's the founder and lead developer, who also is a co-founder of smartcontracts.com, which is now called, as you know, Chainlink. He's also Charles Hoskinson's favorite technologist and one of the best, smartest people in blockchain, as you saw earlier. Let me mention oracles. Now, this is how Ergo Oracle pools work. Oracles are the backbone of decentralized financial systems. It connects off-chain data with the on-chain world. Think of it like if you're betting with someone using a smart contract, that smart contract has to find a way to get the results of the bet. Like, let's say you're betting on a soccer game and you bet one team wins. Where does it get it from? Well, in blockchain, you would get it from an oracle pool. Now, Ergo created the oracle pool to maintain a robust DeFi system. This is because the EUTXO design and its rich programming language ErgoScript, oracle networks can be more decentralized. Rather than relying on one source for an oracle like Chainlink does, as well as a second source that relies on that first source, instead, Ergo has multiple oracles that merge into an oracle pool, and the most trusted ones out of all of them are the ones that provide the information. Ergo also has stablecoins, specifically the SigmaUSD stablecoin. Ergo stablecoin is not like USDT, where it's tethered to the actual US dollar in a reserve. Instead, it uses the Age USD protocol that they created to provide a robust reserve/minting contract. And so the SigmaUSD is linked to the Ergo coin itself. I'll leave a link in the description that describes this more so you can read into it. Ergo also has NFTs. There's already a whole website called ergoauctions.org where you can auction off your NFTs, or you can buy some. And finally, the most exciting part is Ergo's DEX that's coming up in the future. Now, if you don't know what I mean by DEX, yeah, just think about PancakeSwap for BNB or Uniswap, where you can exchange one token for another. The reason why the ErgoDEX is so important is because it's the most popular DEX on the Cardano ecosystem. This will allow for swapping Cardano ecosystem's tokens, which will be using the Erg native token to swap between them. And the best part about Ergo is that we are all so early to the party. It is currently only at a 300 million market cap. And I believe that the market for this could easily be 1 billion plus. Could be 10 billion. We'll see. We'll find out. Here's the timeline. ErgoDEX will be released in June. All that good stuff will be happening then. Then, in the future, or possibly before the ErgoDEX in June, the Ergo platform is working on getting Erg to be listed on more centralized exchanges. This is great because right now, Erg is only on smaller exchanges like CoinEx, Hotbit, Gate.io, stuff that many people don't use. Once it's listed on a more popular exchange like KuCoin, or maybe someday Binance, it'll make it so much easier to buy Erg so that people don't have to make a new account for something when they want to buy it. Next is the Cardano smart contracts, which will most likely be released this August. This will allow ADA and ADA tokens to be traded on the ErgoDEX bringing in a community worth over 60 billion as of right now into the Ergo ecosystem. Then the price will most likely reflect that. After smart contracts come out, you don't know what's gonna happen. They aim to be a financial powerhouse. And once the Yuri dApp connector gets implemented and all the dApps go online and easy to communicate with, I can only see the price going higher. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and I hope you join us on the trip to Mars.